Hello, I am John Douthit, the president at Johannesburg Catholic High School, and welcome. Normally at this time of year, we've already met all of our families at our back to school night or one of our fundraising functions, and we have instituted our Eagle for a Day program and have also begun to interview parents and families of prospective students. But this video is in lieu of all that. We would still like you to be part of our Burke Catholic family. We are a welcome, inclusive community. This video is designed to show you all of the great things that we have to offer at Burke Catholic. We are the premier college preparatory high school in the New York Hudson Valley. Welcome to Burke Catholic. We look forward to seeing you on campus, and we're here to answer any questions you might have at any time. All the best to you, and God bless.
Hello, I'm Janice Clark, and I'm principal here at Burke Catholic. Along with faith formation, our school prides itself on our academic excellence. Each year, 100% of our students graduate from high school, and approximately 98% will go on to a 2 or 4 year institution, while 1% will go on to the military and 1% will join the workforce. Our curriculum, while based on the New York State standards, is much more rigorous than that. A current New York State diploma requires 22 credits, and most of our students will graduate with 30 plus credits. We offer 9 AP courses and 6 college courses, which results in a competitive program for our students and over $18 million in college scholarships per year. I encourage you to look at our website and look at our course offering handbook and see what we offer for our students. I also look forward to seeing you in the building and encourage you as well to call us for any information.
Hello, I'm David Premore, Director of Building and Grounds. I help maintain the 62-acre campus here on Burke Catholic High School.
Hi, I'm Jared Bokikio, the Director of Finance at Burke Catholic High School. I maintain the budget.
Hello, I'm Aaron Hasbrook, the Dean of Students here at Burke Catholic. My job is to help ensure the safety and well-being of all students, faculty, and staff here at Burke. I also help enforce our discipline code in the building. We can't wait to welcome you all to Burke Catholic.
Hi, my name is Jillian Farrell, class of 1993 and current Burke Catholic Registrar.
Hi, my name is Tracy Sullivan, class of 1987, the current admissions director and finance officer. I look forward to welcoming you all to the Burke Catholic family.
Hi, I'm Karen Dwyer, class of 1985, associate advancement officer and alumni relations.
And I'm Justin DePiro, communications coordinator at Burke Catholic. We are part of the administrative support staff here at Burke Catholic, and we can't wait to connect to everyone in our Burke Catholic family. Go Eagles!
The future of Burke Catholic is bright. We are excited for all of our students, we're excited for our faculty, staff, and administration, and we look forward to you joining us very soon. Thank you, good night, and God bless.